Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. Today I'm going to walk you through a brokerage boat that we just took here in listing. It is a Sea Ray 19 SPX Outboard. The model year is 2020. It only has 70 hours on it and it's listed for $39,900. So the 19 SPX, excellent boat, especially for this market here. Trailer obviously is included. It's got a nice swing tongue on the trailer. These are easy to trailer around. They do fit in most garages. So let's take a look at this boat. This one's got the black hull side with the white bottom. Like all the 19 SPXs, it's gonna have a nice swim platform back here. So you've got a boarding ladder on this side, and then you have a little bit more room on that side for swimming, hanging out, whatever it is. And then what we have here is obviously the outboard version. This is the Mercury 4-stroke. It's 150 horsepower. This thing will get up on plane very quickly. Fun to pull tubes, skiing, wakeboarding, a little bit of everything if you just want to cruise. But having the outboard version gives you a lot of torque out of the hull. So this is a great boat. There's lots to see on the interior, so why don't you join me aboard? All right, welcome aboard this 2020 Sea Ray 19 SPX Outboard. And on the interior here, we do have the stone, or the gray, easier word for it. But you got the accent, a little bit darker gray here, and then the stone color here. We have the snap in, snap out flooring in this particular model. You've got bench seating here, and then you also have kind of a dual seating here where if you want to, you can sit here with your feet out this way. And then there's actually another seat underneath here that gets put right in here to fill it all in and can make more of a bench seat. So it's a nice little area to maybe add if you have more people on the boat that day. The other great thing about an outboard version of this is underneath the sun pad here is just massive storage. So normally in an IO, that would be the engine, and there'd be some storage in there, but because it's an outboard, just tons of nice deep storage for everything that we'd bring along. As we come into the boat, we've got the nice captain's chair. It does have a bolster. It spins, it goes forward and back, so easy for the captain to kind of maneuver. Up here at the helm, we do have our Fusion stereo here. We've got 4 speakers throughout the boat. That's a Bluetooth as well. And then just some nice basic gauges. So your gauges are right in here. We've got a depth finder right over there. And this boat has only 70 hours on it. So very low hours for a 2020. We have nice storage underneath here. This just opens up and you've got some nice storage in there. And then up in the bow, the SPX has more of a kind of a rounded bow, which gives you a little bit more space. You've got storage underneath both of these seats here. You've got a removable cushion here in the front if you need to step out of the boat without stepping on the cushion. But the 19 SPX is a very popular boat in this area. Easy to trailer around. It fits in pretty much most garages. And then having the outboard 150 horsepower Merc gives you plenty of power to do all sorts of different water sports that you want to do, or just cruising around the lake. Again, this is a 2020 Sea Ray 19 SPX. This is on a brokerage here, so listed for $39,900. If you have any questions, you can give us a call, or give us a call and set up an appointment, or you can always just stop on by. We'd love to show it to you. So thanks a lot and have a great day.